For today's project, guys, we got our trailer hitch coming in, so we're gonna go ahead and install it on the Chevy Express. So I'm gonna go ahead, back it up into the driveway, and we're gonna start installing that. You guys saw in our last video that we got all that touched up and that perfect, so we still have our other side. We're gonna see if we can't do that later maybe. But without further ado, we're gonna go over and we're gonna get that tow hitch on there. This is massive, guys. Look how big that is. Look at that. Oh, baby. That's crazy, guys. This will be really durable. Right in here, we have all of our hardware that we're gonna be needing. This trailer hitch is one of the really good ones. There's 3 different levels, I believe. This one, I believe, is the middle or top one. This trailer hitch is weighted for 6,000 pounds and 10,000 when it's weight distribution. Like, so if you have like an RV or trailer like that, that's when that would be weight distribution. So this trailer hitch should very much serve our purpose when we go ahead and we tow around our Z behind it in the trailer, whatever we need to do. This will really get the job done. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this going up and attached to the car. This shouldn't be too difficult. Everything is perfectly easy. We have 1, 2, and then our third one right here. And then we have 1, 2, and then our third one right back there. So everything does not have to be drilled. You just slip it in with the bolts and get the plates in on the top side and go from there. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little square plates. This is gonna be the small one. We're gonna stick our thing through it and just slip it on through. So there's the first. Let's get our second. Here we go, have our second. Now our third and last one. Okay. Grab a washer and a nut and just go from there. Cool. Last but not least. Cool. Okay, we just got that side all mounted right up on here. We got the 3 on that side. We're gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side and we'll go from there. Remember, first things first, we're gonna take our little plate, stick our little bolt that locks into it right there and slip it on through. Next, just take your washer and then your nut again. We're gonna slip this through and go ahead and tighten. Again, take your washer. It is coned, so make sure that you have the coned side. It should be pointing down. Again, have the bull side facing upward. It's loosely mocked up, as you guys just saw. We just have those all loosely on. That looks really killer and stellar. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wrench and we can torque it down to 75 foot-pounds of torque. And then once we torque it down to the correct thing, then theoretically we can start towing right away, guys, which is really good. It's a good plus. Let's go from there though and torque them down. Now that those are all torqued down, I'm just gonna torque them down. Again, 75 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm gonna use my torque bar and torque them on real quick, and then we should be able to go from there. Okay, we have just finished installing it. It's only been like 20 minutes, guys. It took me 20 minutes to install that, and I was honestly taking my time. I wasn't rushing, I was filming. Guys, this is super easy. That all mounted, there's nothing left for us to do today, guys. So, thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos of me working on my van, on my Avalon, and my 350Z that I'm turning into a drift car, which isn't right here right now because there's things happening in the background. Anyways, guys, without further ado, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Okay, guys, nothing left to say. Guess it's time to end it.